What are y'all listening to?
Sounds of the Underground with Sky and SB.
That's my shit right there. Turn that shit up. Turn it up, guys. Turn it up. Turn it up, nigga. Louder, louder.
Allow me to introduce this show. First off, the sounds of the underground. Always playing that dope fresh style. So if you're looking for that new-ish only, then you really need to tune in, homie. The Beat Radio, home of exclusive state. #1 with that internet music. You can check the green map and peep all the usage. Bottom of the station out there's just useless. Sky drop the blueprint, SBI hooped it. Dream team ruthless, pick the top there, tell you what the truth is. 10 o'clock on motherfucking Tuesday. Laptop South City on replay. Not your ordinary DJ, so no freebase. You can't go wrong. You can even listen on your Android phone. Get your handheld on. Hear a hit, get your fix, talk some shit, I'm gone. Sounds Sky.